Hey guys, no, that's not what I wanted to say. Fuck that. But actually, I want to get this work on this thing, make a video of it. Here's the thing that I was gonna do months ago, never did. Now we're gonna do it now. And I didn't mean to say hey guys, because that's John's thing. Sorry, my bad. I don't know why that popped in my head right away. I guess we're gonna cut that out anyway. But we're gonna go ahead and do this. I got my tools, and we'll open this thing up. So I gotta get the camera. All right. So to start, we gotta take the glass off, which means we gotta unlock the lockdown bar. But I gotta open this up. I got the key in there. We'll go ahead and do that. Oh yeah, this is going well already. See, it has to be. You have to have the key turned the right way. But anyway, so you're reaching down in here. This is the lock bar. Or no, that's the bar. Oh, fuck, I'm so stupid. Anyway, I got the levers. The levers down. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you probably could. So I got the lever down. This thing will pop out. Like that. And I'll throw that over there. Pull the glass out. Try not to break the glass pulling it out. Put that over here. Alright, and so let's see here. I really don't want to do editing today. Alright. Go ahead and lift this thing up. Lift this up. Alright, now I gotta pick it. Oh god, it's upside down. Okay. What's that name? Alright, so now we're going to take this off. Okay. Now I gotta take this, the hell is it? Right here. I gotta put an Allen wrench in there, loosen that. I actually gotta put a wrench on that. Get that off there. And one that'll fit that. If I get the right size here, I gotta have the right size here. See, this is why I don't take this shit. Oh god, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? Why am I taping this? This is why I didn't do this, or when I picked up the part, because I just don't like taping stuff when I'm working on it. But I got nothing else to put on the channel, so and that's what's going on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just go on. I'm also somewhat distracted. I'm watching some arcade podcast while I'm doing this. What's the name of that? I think it's Arcade Road Trip or whatever it is. Let's see if I can not break this, taking this off. This should be simple. At least that's what Ty told me. Oh no, I might be tying that the wrong way. Oh, we'll find out, won't we? It should be loose now. Ow. that next one should come out. So if I can give you a better shot here. I'll just put this down. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna pull this thing out. It should come out. Come on. Bitch. You don't want to quite rip it out, but you know, I'll get it out. Or tearing the pipe field apart. Hold on, let me pause it. Alright, I just took a little bit of wiggling and it's unhooked. Here it is right here. So if I just reach around and pull it out, should come right off. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not looking through the viewfinder, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing. It's out. I got it. You can see where it broke. Yeah, look at that. And it shatters right there. Man, I think it's beat. Hopefully the new part's gonna fit in this thing, but it doesn't have the that other one doesn't have the, you know, the Williams logo on it, so that kind of sucks. But I gotta take this rubber thing off. Hopefully that thing fits. Don't know, because I bought the part like a couple months ago. Wow, that thing's broke. Oh, you can see where it had the red rubber on it. Right there. That's broke. Damn. Alright, let's get the other part and stick that one in. Alright. I put the new rubber on. Well, it's not new. But I took the one off of this one, put it on here. Look at that one. Look at him. That thing's trashed. This one's trashed. Wow, it's shattered. Well, I think they're the right size. I forgot what this cost me. It was like $1 or $2 for a new part. But let's go ahead. Let's put this one in, and it should fit. Hopefully. Okay. And then we gotta put that other thing on and tighten it down. Hopefully line it up right. Yeah. Alright. And I'm gonna slide that piece through. Oh, come on. It'll be like that. There it goes. There we are. Alright, so then I'm just going to have to set this one up where I think it would be good. I'm going to have to pause that because I got to figure out how to... Alright, I got it adjusted to where I think it's going to be good, so let's just tighten it up and hope for the best. Tools. Which one was I using? I'll use this one, I think. Oh no, I'm tightening it the wrong, I'm turning it the wrong way, and I'm such an idiot. Oh no, what's wrong with me? It looks all different from where I am. this tiny bastard in. See how screwed up I made that by loosening it. Oh god. Oh, no, it's pretty good. It's good. It's fine. Thing doesn't want to fit, and I don't think it's even that size though. I think this must be small though. Maybe not. Okay, that might work. Okay, let's see here. See how it looks. It might be good for now. Damn, you can really tell that they've been changed. That was more brighter than this one. I think one actually, oops, I might have one up to our shit. Well, I'll have to fix it later. I knew I'd have to make some adjustments. This one is slightly up too far. Shit. Well, anyway, I'll leave that for now. I'll do my final adjustments off camera. So anyway, so sorry for my crappy videotaping, but you know, what are you gonna do? Get better equipment, I would guess. Which I have not. Alright. So anyway, so we're all set with that, and well, I'm mostly set. And I think we'll power it up and just see how that functions. Let me put the glass and shit on it, and we'll see what happens. I think maybe I'll just adjust this off camera, because this is always a pain. I don't know why, because I've had to take this one apart a couple of times because of the linkages in them. And I actually haven't replaced the linkages, but I've fixed them to where they wouldn't stick anymore. But it seems like every time I fix this thing, and I got it to where I think it's like bulletproof, I won't have any problems for a long time, something like that breaks. Because look up here, I should have replaced these discs when I had to yank all these out to replace the insides of these. And these are the old discs and they're chipping away. Yeah, if I had known, I would have bought new discs for it and whatever. But yeah, let's throw the glass back on. Where the hell did it go? It's invisible. No, there it is. Here's my computer. I'm watching some. It's still on. Okay, let's put the glass on. Alright, let's put the glass on. I'm going to leave the flipper for now, and I'll do it later. At a later time. Let's just put this back out. Put everything back together for now. I also turned up my computer, so there's going to be some background noise, but I don't think you'll hear it that much. Okay. Where's the glass? Where'd it go? This glass needs to be clean. I'll have to do that again at a later time too. I've been using this as my computer desk. Because I got rid of the Donkey Kong. Stupid rubber popped out. Or foam, whatever it is right up here. And my lockdown bar. That's what I need. And just want to be careful with this. I can't get this in. What the hell am I doing? There. Alright. And then we'll just lock it. Okay, there we go. Close the door. Okay. And let's see here. It's powered up. Hopefully it still works. I haven't powered up since the summer, so hopefully everything should be fine. See? There it goes. Alright, cool. Alright. Can I really? I don't know if I can get this on camera though. Ooh, boy. Should we try it? Just try it for once? It's kind of late at night. It's like it's going for 3, so hopefully this thing won't be loud when I go to hit the button. Let's see if it still works. What the hell? It's on free play. I think it's still on free play. Maybe the battery went dead on it. Why is it not? Okay, that's weird. It's not on free play anymore. I don't know. What the hell is that? Hold on. I'm looking at it and I just realized my bottom displays are out. I don't know why they're not lighting up. Shit. You know, it worked a couple months ago, but it hasn't been on in like a long time, so we'll have to look in the back box and see what the hell's wrong. Shit. What the fuck? Okay. So let me go pop the back box off and see what the hell's going on here. Alright, so I got the head open. Now this originally was not in my plans. I was just going to change that. I did not know this thing. I knew the last time I played this, it resetted on me one time when I was playing. You know, I knew that had a few little tiny kinky problems. Okay, not kinky. What the fuck am I saying? Anyway. Alright, so I'm looking at it. I might have a blown fuse on the power supply, I think. And for one thing, this I wish I had another power supply because this one's pretty trashed. The traces are lifting. But this is what it looks like inside of the head. Have you ever seen? This is all my boards. And I have reflowed solder when I got this game. I reflowed solder on all these headers. So I'm guessing it's a power issue. I was for a minute there, I was afraid maybe the batteries corroded. But they look fine. Oh, what the fuck is wrong with her? I think it might be a fuse. It's possibly it's a fuse or the power supply went bad. That's what I'm guessing. Because I know this wire up here has been heating up. Where is it? The GI light here, one of these was heating up. It's burning up the pins right here. I think it was this one right here actually. But I'm going to check the fuses on here and hopefully it's just a fuse. And nothing real serious. But of course I got to then find out what blew that fuse. But yeah. Alright, let me take a look at that. I'll get my meter up here and go ahead and do that. Shit. You know, I did look though, it is on free play. It's showing free play. So it is still in free play, but for some reason it's not coining up. I mean, when you hit the button, you get that sound of what it would make if it was on coin op and if you didn't put a quarter in it. So it is knowing I'm pushing that button, so it must be up here somewhere. I'm gonna get my multimeter. Take a look at that. Let me see. Well, I got the meter out and I checked the fuses. I got no fuses out, so I don't know what, something must have cooked. Shit. Not really, that's not good. So it looks like we're not going to be playing this today. Because I think I'm going to have some tech guy come out and take a look at this thing. Because I can do the easy shit, you know, all that stuff. But trying to find what blew up on her, because I don't see anything that cooked, really. But I got a lot of old capacitors on the board, so possibility one of them blew up. So this is power sign. Let's open it. See what she does. Fuck. Oh, that just. Oh man. It's in retract, but it's not. Why am I not getting the other displays? Everything else looks like it's running. Oh, great. Yeah, hear that? When I push that, it acknowledges that I hit it. So, you know what, let me try and coin it. See if it'll coin up. Oh, okay. Let's see here. Let's close this door up. See what she does when I push start. Nope, it won't go into. It won't play. What the hell would be causing that? Well, I guess we're gonna stop here because I gotta call somebody or look through my books and see if I can't figure that one out. Maybe it's something simple. I don't know. I gotta check that out. Fuck. Alright. Didn't know I had more of a problem. Alright. Alright, I guess we'll end the video now and then I'll, you know, make a new video when this thing's going again. Alright, bye.